In this video, we're going to show how the wiring hooks up to the Grand Caravan taillights. This is the taillight as you receive it. It has this extra plastic layer on it, this plastic tab for the Caravan. We're going to cut that tab off, so I've marked off a silver line. And so if you were looking at this edge of the plastic, of the red plastic, we're about 1/4 of an inch down from the very edge, and you can see inside that this is all just a little tab that's easy to take off. So take a look inside. This tab is coming off. You're going to keep the rest of the light. You don't want to cut any of this. You want to cut only this tab off. And so zooming in, I put a silver line where you're going to make your cut. This is what it looks like when you do snips. So sometimes you can just use snips to snip off the edge and then sand it smooth. Other times you can just take a small jigsaw and cut along here. Even a nice sharp razor blade should be able to do that. So that's the trimming of the tail light. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the middle black light bulb assembly. We're not going to use that because, as luck would have it, on the harness for the charger, the stop and tail plug fits into the center piece on the Dodge Grand Caravan. So let's take a look at the harness. So this is the harness that bolts or is it fastened to the Dodge Charger tail light. You have to drill out these two little plastic tabs on the Charger tail light to remove this. But this is a fully wired tail light for a Dodge Charger. I've marked it off. You can see this one says parking. So this little light with the 4 tabs on it, that's your parking light. We're not going to use that. This one is the reverse light. This one has the 2 tabs on it. You're going to use this one, but you're going to have to cut this and wire the reverse light to this green reverse light on the Grand Caravan. And we provide you 2 little spade connectors to connect this to the Grand Caravan green connector. So the reverse light with the 2 prongs goes to the green. That's your reverse light. And then you have 2, in the Charger, you have 2 of these stop and tail lights. The one with the dark green is the one we are not going to use. So this is a duplicate of this one here that has the black, maroon, it's like a magenta and white, and it has a green and white. This happens to be the driver's side light. But this assembly here is the one you're going to plug in to the Dodge Caravan center section. So we're not going to use this. I believe you could trim this off if you want to. I don't think there's an error light on the dash. I leave this whole assembly connected. We use the reverse light. Where is it? There's a little one. This reverse light here, right here, you're going to wire up to there. So you're going to take 2 of these wires, the ground and the white wire, and you're going to wire it inside of those pins right there. So spade connectors go on there. You fill this with silicone when you're done, and that gives you these 2 connectors are all you're going to use. The rest of this I just zip tie together. So I mean, I don't leave the bulbs in it, but I do just zip tie it together and put it behind the light for future use if necessary. So that's how you wire the Grand Caravan light. In the next step, we're going to talk about how we take the trimmed light, and this is a trimmed light, and we install the little rubber and brass nuts. So we put a hole. I'll show you where to do this later, but it's about 1 inch from the edge. You drill the hole when you're mounting it on the body. You don't do this freehand with just the light. You drill the holes after installing them on the body. You drill a tiny 1/8 inch hole through the aluminum and the plastic, and then you drill out the big hole, and you're going to put in these little rubber brass sleeves that have threads inside them. So we'll show you how to do that in the next video, but this is what the light will look like after it's trimmed.